Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Home Assistant backups and integrations, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your Home Assistant backups and integrations, start by accessing your Home Assistant interface. Navigate to the sidebar and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select System. In the System menu, locate the Backups option and click on it. Here, you will see a list of your backups. Identify the backup you wish to restore. Click on the three dots next to the selected backup. Choose the Restore option from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear, giving you choices on what to restore. You can select to restore the full backup or specific integrations. If restoring specific integrations, check the boxes next to the items you want to restore. Once you've made your selections, click on the Restore button to initiate the process. Home Assistant will now begin restoring the selected items. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of the backup. Once the restoration is complete, the interface will notify you. After restoring, it's a good practice to restart Home Assistant. You can restart Home Assistant by going back to the Settings menu. Click on System, then select Server Controls. In Server Controls, hit the Restart button. Wait for Home Assistant to reboot successfully. After the restart, check the integrations to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any integrations require configuration, follow the prompts to set them up. For optimal performance, review any logs for errors or warnings. Regularly check your backup settings to ensure all integrations are backed up appropriately. This completes the restoration process for your Home Assistant backups and integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.